Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox in 2023. Are you looking for a quick guide how to wear multiple faces on Roblox 2023 on your PC? Stay tuned because this one's for you. Right, so if you look to add an extra dash of personality to your Roblox avatar, you need to sign into your Roblox account via your preferred web browser. And upon reaching the homepage, navigate to the avatar option on the left side menu, as you can see here, avatar. And in avatar, locate the accessories tab. A drop down menu will appear. So click on accessories, right? And then click on face. Select face, as you can see here. Uh, in face, there's a wide range of free and paid face accessories that you can use for your character. So for instance, try on a pair of stylish goggles and see how your avatar transitions. So yeah, there's a lot of personalization. There's a lot of customization for face on Roblox, and this is how you do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.